Question 1. Identify the correct sentence. A. He do not know the answer. B. He does not knows the answer. C. He does not know the answer. D. He do not knows the answer. The correct answer is C. He does not know the answer. Question 2. Choose the correct synonym of abundant. A. Scarce. B. Plentiful. C. Rare. D. Meager. The correct answer is B. Plentiful. Consider the following expression. A. Since. B. For. C. From. D. By. The correct answer is A. Since. Question 5. Identify the part of speech of the word fast in he runs fast. A. Noun. B. Adjective. C. Adverb. D. Preposition. The correct answer is C. Adverb. Question 6. Choose the correct antonym of expand. A. Increase. B. Grow. C. Contract. D. Extend. The correct answer is C. Contract. Question 8. Identify the correct plural form of criterion. A. Criterions. B. Criteria. C. Criterias. D. Criterion. The correct answer is B. Criteria. Question 9. Choose the correctly spelled word. A. Accommodation. B. Accommodation. C. Accommodation. D. Accommodation. The correct answer is C. Accommodation. Consider the following expression. A. Are. B. Were. C. Is. D. Have. The correct answer is C. Is. Question 11. Choose the correct indirect speech. He said, I am tired. A. He said that he is tired. B. He said that he was tired. C. He said that I was tired. D. He says that he was tired. The correct answer is B. He said that he was tired. Question 12. Identify the correct passive voice. They completed the work. A. The work was completed by them. B. The work has been completed by them. C. The work is completed by them. D. The work had been completed by them. The correct answer is A. The work was completed by them. Question 13. Find the error. She did not knew about the rule. A. She. B. Did not. C. Knew. D. About the rule. The correct answer is C. Knew. Consider the following expression. A. Will complete. B. Will have completed. C. Has completed. D. Completed. The correct answer is B. Will have completed. Consider the following expression. A. But. B. So. C. Because. D. Or. The correct answer is A. But. Question 16. Choose the one-word substitution for a person who speaks many languages. A. Orator. B. Linguist. C. Polyglot. D. Translator. The correct answer is C. Polyglot. Consider the following expression. A. Had. B. Has. C. Did. D. Was. The correct answer is A. Had. Question 18. Identify the correct sentence. A. Each of the students have a book. B. Each of the students has a book. C. Each of the student have a book. D. Each student has a book. The correct answer is B. Each of the students has a book. Question 19. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom to hit the nail on the head. A. To miss the point. B. To do physical work. C. To be exactly right. D. To hurt someone. The correct answer is C. To be exactly right. Consider the following expression. A. Tells. B. Tell. C. Told. D. Telling. The correct answer is B. Tell. Question 21. Choose the correct passive voice. Someone has stolen my wallet. A. My wallet has been stolen. B. My wallet is stolen. C. My wallet was stolen. D. My wallet had been stolen. The correct answer is A. My wallet has been stolen. Question 22. Find the error. One of my friends are going abroad. A. 1. B. Of my. C. Friends are. D. Going abroad. The correct answer is C. Friends are. Question 23. Choose the correct synonym of meticulous. A. Careless. B. Lazy. C. Precise. D. Hasty. The correct answer is C. Precise. Consider the following expression. A is than. B. to. C. from. D. over. The correct answer is B. to. Question 25. Choose the correct reported speech. She said, "Do you like tea?" A. She asked if I like tea. B. She asked whether I like tea. C. She asked, "Do I like tea?" D. She asked that I like tea. The correct answer is B. She asked whether I like tea. Question 26. Identify the correct sentence. A. No sooner did he arrive than it started raining. B. No sooner he arrived than it started raining. C. No sooner had he arrived than it started raining. D. No sooner he had arrived than it started raining. The correct answer is A. No sooner did he arrive than it started raining. Consider the following expression. A for, B of, C with, D by. The correct answer is B of. Question 28. Choose the antonym of obscure. A vague, B hidden, C clear, D dark. The correct answer is C clear. Consider the following expression. A off, B down, C out, D up. The correct answer is A off. Question 30. Choose the correct sentence. A. She prefers tea than coffee. B. She prefers tea to coffee. C. She prefers tea over coffee than. D. She prefers tea from coffee. The correct answer is B. She prefers tea to coffee. Question 31. Identify the error. The news are very shocking. Akda, B. News, C. R, D. Very shocking. The correct answer is C. R. Question 32. Choose the correct one-word substitution for a handwriting that cannot be read. A. Illegible, B. Invisible, C. Indelible, D. Unreadable. The correct answer is A. Illegible. Consider the following expression. A. More confidently, B. Most confidently, C. Confidently, D. Very confidently. The correct answer is A. More confidently. Question 34. Choose the correct sentence. A. I wish I knew his address. B. I wish I know his address. C. I wish I had know his address. D. I wish I am knowing his address. The correct answer is A. I wish I knew his address. Question 35. Identify the correct transformation into passive. People say he is honest. A. It is said that he is honest. B. He is said honest. C. He was said honest. D. It was said he is honest. The correct answer is A. It is said that he is honest. Consider the following expression. A. With, B. For, C. To, D. Of. The correct answer is C. To. Question 37. Choose the correct antonym of generous. A. Kind, B. Charitable, C. Mean, D. Helpful. The correct answer is C. Mean. Consider the following expression. A. And, B. But, C. Also, D. Or. The correct answer is C. Also. Question 39. Choose the correct sentence. A. The teacher along with the students are present. B. The teacher along with the students is present. C. The teacher along with students are present. D. The teacher with the students are present. The correct answer is B. The teacher along with the students is present. Question 40. Identify the error. He is one of the best player in the team. A. He is. B. One of the. C. Best player. D. In the team. The correct answer is C. Best player. Question 41. Choose the correct idiom for to postpone. A. Put off. B. Put up. C. Put out. D. Put in. The correct answer is A. Put off. Consider the following expression. A. Will. B. Shall. C. Would. D. Might. The correct answer is A. Will. Question 43. Choose the correct sentence. A. Neither he nor I am responsible. B. Neither he nor I are responsible. C. Neither he nor I is responsible. D. Neither he or I am responsible. The correct answer is A. Neither he nor I am responsible. Question 44. Choose the correct synonym of brevity. A. Length. B. Shortness. C. Detail. D. Expansion. The correct answer is B. Shortness. Question 45. Identify the correct sentence. A. Scarcely had he finished when the bell rang. B. Scarcely he had finished when the bell rang. C. Scarcely did he finished when the bell rang. D. Scarcely had he finished when the bell rang. The correct answer is A. Scarcely had he finished when the bell rang. Consider the following expression. A. Stay. B. Stayed. C. Staying. D. To stay. The correct answer is A. Stay. Consider the following expression. A. Is submitted. B. Was submitted. C. Be submitted. D. Submitted. The correct answer is C. Be submitted. Question 48. Choose the correct antonym of transient. A. Temporary. B. Brief. C. Permanent. D. Momentary. The correct answer is C. Permanent. Question 49. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have been living here since 5 years. B. I am living here since 5 years. C. I have lived here for 5 years. D. I live here since 5 years. The correct answer is C. I have lived here for 5 years.